Palabas pa lang daw siya ng office.
Wala na.
Talaga?
Madilim ba, boss? Hindi.
Tama lang.
When you think you're going to
September 8.
I just let you. And this is crazy.
Ngayon, 10 na ngayon.
So call me maybe.
Every day.
So call me.
Wala pa rin yung check.